Everybody, what is going on, and welcome back to the channel. So I have a quick little video for you guys today. We're going to be replacing the back glass on the Tahoe. Now, I've been needing to address this problem for a while, ever since I got the truck. You can see on this side here, the glass is kind of sticking up, and if we go to open it, it is truly screwed up because the hinge actually broke off of the glass. Now, this is a common problem with these trucks. Initially, I was planning on just pulling the glass and then JB welding this back on. The real problem with that being, I would have to pull this glass off, JB weld it, let it sit at least overnight. Then I'd have to come back the next day, assuming the weather is good, and put it back on the truck and hope that it holds. So to avoid doing that, I went to a salvage yard about a half hour away, and I was able to find this replacement glass. This cost me 75 bucks, and it's in pretty good shape. It has some stickers on the other side. It just got to peel off. Other than that, it's looking really good. All the tabs are still intact for the defroster lines. All the defroster lines appear to be intact. I didn't see any cuts before it snowed on it yesterday. And as you can see, both hinges are intact. So for 75 bucks, this should be a lot easier than trying to repair the one that's on there. The other reason why I just went and replaced it is that you'll see once I pull it off, but on the glass that's on the truck now, this piece up here is kind of split open. I guess from when it broke and it's just been rubbing up and down, you could kind of see there's like a cut and opening in there. So I figured for 75 bucks, I might as well just replace the whole thing. But removing this should be relatively simple. First thing I'm going to be doing is popping the struts off of the glass. You can see down here, there's a little clip, pretty much like any other kind of like lift shock. You just pop this off, and that's going to allow you to remove it from the ball that's on the truck. I'm not exactly sure how the top ones come off. I might just pull them off the truck and then try to figure that out. It looks like that might be a clip there. And then as for up here, the hinges are split, so half a hinge stays on the window, half a hinge is welded to the truck, I believe, and then it has like a little clip going through with a pin. So I'm going to remove the two wires here, take the struts off, and then I'm going to figure out how to get the hinge off. All right, so all the glass is removed. I just finished cleaning the jam out really good. Gave it a little coat of wax. Obsessed? I don't think so. I'm gonna come in here with a little bit of grease, hit the little ball joint for the support strut, as well as these hinges up here, because the driver's side was a little rusty and it took a little wiggling to get to slide over. And then I'm gonna go remove those stickers from the hatch, and I think we'll be ready to pop the new glass on. So I got the old struts off the other glass. I realized once I got them all cleaned up, there was a tiny little clip actually holding the glass side on. It was a lot easier to see once I had the glass off the truck. But I just went and popped the other ones back on, so now it's pretty much as simple as just going in there, snapping these guys on the pivot balls, and then I'm just going to put the two little clips in, and that's going to be it. All right, so the glass is installed and it is working perfectly. I got it nice and cleaned up. There's a little scratch here A lot of this stuff was able to come off. There was scuffs. I don't even know if you can see that, but there's like a black spot where it's kind of like stretched into the glass. Nothing to cry about though. Overall, the glass is in really, really good shape. The tabs for the defrost are all intact. I got everything nice and cleaned. Hinges are all lubed up. Those little clips popped on without a problem. And you can see the shocks are nice and cleaned up. And the glass is just going up and down nice and smoothly, working as it should. Next step, I'm just gonna go remove these stickers. I think it's time to retire these guys. They're pretty faded and coming off. So I'm gonna scrape these off, get this nice and clean. And then I gotta see if I get some new stickers for this thing. I wanna get probably a couple of, maybe like a YouTube and Instagram. But for now, we're gonna scrape this off, get it nice and clean, then we'll wrap this video up. All right guys, so the glass is clean, install is finished. This is working great, looks great. What do you think, 75 bucks? I mean, opposed to trying to fix the other one, I think that was a great deal. The junkyard I went to, I think it was East Brunswick Auto Salvage. I looked on carpart.com and they had one of these in stock. I got there, the guy went to go pull it off the truck, and apparently the two trucks they had, they were both broken. So I think one of them had a broken hinge, and then the other one, the defrost tabs were broken. So he actually went and pulled this off of his Suburban and gave it to me. So that was pretty cool. I got the glass I needed. They were able to help me out. And hell, for 75 bucks, it's way easier than just trying to fix the other one, especially since the rubber up here is all ripped open. This is gonna be another one of those videos that's just kind of randomly thrown in there. I'm actually filming this after I completed the interior cleaning and the front seats. I still have to do the door panels and stuff. Still haven't gotten around to those transmission lines yet, but it is on the list. Hopefully the weather doesn't get any worse. I mean, it's still like the middle of January, so we still have a ways to go before spring. Just got the first snowfall last night, which was a little tiny dusting. Didn't slow me down much, but definitely can't take the Camaro out because now the roads are just really icy and there's like salt all over the place and it's just really gross. So that's going to be sitting in the garage. So you're probably going to see a few more Tahoe videos, but I did get something in the mail from LSX Concepts for my accessory drive, so I am going to be installing that. So there will be another Camaro video coming as soon as I could get it out and this weather at least clears up just a little bit. If you don't follow me on Instagram, link is going to be in the description as usual. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.